Mindshifters, hello. We are starting in the Mindshift Purge series. So, one of the things that helped me with my weight loss and my fitness journey is the fact that I started to clear everything. It doesn't seem like it would make a big impact, but I tell you, once I started, I guess some people call it uncluttering or decluttering. I call it purge. Really purge everything. Purge myself, purge my physical space, purge my mental space, my spiritual space. Once I really started this process, it just, everything else became so much more simpler. So I'm showing you guys this room. I call it the room of requirements. So if you're a Harry Potter fan, shout out to you. But this room that I'm in has been everything. And you'll see several clips of me during different days recently in the last few months kind of working on this room. And I'm finally going to post this video. Is it where I want it to be? No. But is it where it used to be? No. So that's what we'll see on our weight loss journey and on our fitness journey and health journey. Sometimes we think that we have to like figure everything out immediately, and that unfortunately sometimes leads to failure. And I don't want to say the F word, but it does lead to failure because you're thinking, you wake up, you see the state that you're in, and you think you have to attack it immediately and solve it immediately, and that's just not real life. Just small changes, bit by bit, every day. Some days I would just come and like pick up a piece of lint or something, or a piece of paper. Sometimes or some days I wouldn't do anything. I was so tired from work. So again, I'm going to post this video. Mindshifters, we can do it. Change starts in the mind. I'm so proud of you guys. And you'll see as we go along on this journey. And if you see other people's journey, you notice normally their spaces are pretty clear. And that could be just what people show you, but I'm showing you the real deal. This purge, you'll see me go through each room in this house. And it's analogous to me going to each room within me and my mind, because it's all connected. I still have been without TV for, I think I'm going on 8 months. I have to check. Maybe it's a little less than that. And it feels great. It feels wonderful. So anyways, have a wonderful rest of your day. And I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, bye. Mindshifting out. right, guys, we're at it another day. This is day 1,000,000. Hi, Mindshifters. As you can see, I am tackling this a little bit at a time, so I'm doing pretty good. So right now, let's just try to figure out what I'm going to do with this mess right here. And this seems like there'd be more filing and things like that. As you can see, even my desk. So that's what I'm going to tackle, and the books, and I have random makeup stuff, so I'm going to go through that. So my goal for the first wave of this is to get everything clear from the floor and the closet. And that's going to be when I post my first video for you guys. And you're going to see this has been a process. I did not do it in a few hours or speed cleaning. I have no gimmicks here. All I can tell you guys, it takes a little bit each day. And that's our weight loss journey, our physical fitness journey, our financial fitness journey, our spiritual fitness journey. It takes one day at a time, one change at a time. It does not happen overnight. And I know a lot of us are addicted to watching those videos and listening to stories where people just do it. And some people, they actually have that ability where they can actually just get her done, you know. Me, I tend to be more of a transition. My only thing is that you just got to keep chipping away at it. Okay, guys, talk to you. I'll keep you updated. Mind shifting out.